Yalla, let us start our lesson. Who wants to remind me, what are the 3 kinds of energy that we talked about at the beginning or in the beginning of this week? Yes, start.
Sound, heat, and light.
Yes, very good. Sound, heat, and light. Okay. Batul, can you give me an example of something that gives off light?
Light.
Yes, something that gives off light.
The sun and the night.
Sun and what?
The sun and the
Yes.
sun and the.
Okay, I'll go with the sun. Thank you. Okay, guys. So, okay, Ahmad, can you give me an example of something that gives us heat or gives off heat?
Me, teacher.
Heat.
Heat.
Yes. Yes, what gives us heat?
Jiffy.
What?
And
Ahmad, do you know the meaning of heat?
yes.
Okay, yes, heat.
No.
Heat is is a kind of energy. We talked about it. ليش عم تحكي لي انك ما عم تعرفها؟ كمان لما ما قلت لك 1000 مرة لما ما تعرف إشي ارفع ايدك احكي لي مش فاهم انا مش عارف شو يعني. Okay? Heat يعني حرارة. We talked about it. حكينا some things or some examples about things that gives off heat. Like what? Like the fire. And the sun also gives us heat or gives like anything else heat. And we said that when we put something on the stove, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be hot. So that's what we call heat also. So these are examples of heat. Okay, Ahmad, where did you go? Yeah, I'm explaining to the chair. Yes, Zena.
Can you ask me?
Zena, don't raise your hand unless I tell you to speak, okay?
Okay.
Okay, give me an example of something that has sound.
The oven.
What?
The oven when it's when the food when the water like do bubbles.
Yes, okay, these have sounds. Okay, thank you, Zaina. Okay, now, today we're going to talk about sound. As you can see here, we have safe and sound, okay? So I need you to pay attention carefully to what I'm gonna say about sound, because we have some new words, like the word vibrate, okay? And we have the word pitch, and we have the word loudness. So you have to know each word and what do they mean, okay? So I don't know if you noticed, like when we have, okay, hold on. Nimar, are you there? We have an option in our phones. We have to put it general or vibrate or mute, right? So when we put the phone on general, we hear a ringtone. And when we put the phone on vibration, we can feel like the phone is vibrating when someone calls us, okay? So okay, let me show you a video about a phone vibrating in order to know what is vibration. So this is when the phone vibrates, okay? It makes this sound and you can feel the vibration. You can feel it and you can hear it. Hold on. Okay. So this is what I mean by vibrate, okay? So it is to move back and forth very quickly, okay? So if I ask you, what do we call moving back and forth very quickly? We call it vibrate, okay? And the sound is made when an object vibrates. So you can hear the sound when the object vibrates, or when when you can simply hear a ringtone and so on. And also by blowing a horn. Let me show you another thing about it. Yes, so horns are like these, and they make, or they blow them in order to what? To have sounds, right? Or to make sounds. Okay, so you can just simply make sounds by screaming, by talking, by okay, by clicking, by knocking, and so on, okay? Or by clapping. For example, Nimir, can you clap your hands? Yalla, Nimir. Can you hear a sound? Nimir, why isn't it making, okay, why does it sound like you're not making any sounds? Okay, I can hear a sound, but it's very low. Okay. Thank you, Nimir. Yes, Zena.
Like this?
Exactly. Yes, exactly. Thank you. Okay. Ahmed, can you knock? Knock on the table. No, knock on the table. Can you hear a sound? Knock. I can't hear anything. Okay, hold on. I'll try to do it. Can you hear something?
No.
What? Okay, hold on. Can you hear it now?
No.
Okay. I think I'm the only one who can hear it. Okay. Yes, do it.
Did you like that?
Exactly. Very good. This is knocking. Okay. Yes. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. Yes, Zena.
He was not unmuted.
What?
He was not unmuted.
He was not unmuted. No, he was.
Unmuted. Let's see.
Okay. Yes, Sad.
I raising my hand to answer.
Oh, okay. What am I supposed to tell you? Okay. Can you make a loud sound?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, thank you, Sad. Good job. Okay. So we have to know something called pitch. Oh, Farah, hold on. We still have like a lot of questions, okay? So what is pitch? Pitch is how high or low a sound is. So it's like when I want to scream, my sound is going to be high. And when I want to talk, I can talk in the low sound, okay? Hold on. So again, is this high or low? What do you think? Yes, Farah. Yes.
Hi.
Hi. High. Yes, very good. So this is a high. This is a high pitch. Now,
I want to do a sound.
you want to do something?
No, I want to do a sound. A sound.
Yes. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Number 2. So do you think this is high or low? Yes. What do you think? Nimir. The drums, are they high or their sound is high or low? Nimir.
What you say, Ali? My sister
Answer.
do like
Answer properly, Nimir.
It is high, but Peter, I want to tell you something.
Yes.
You shout to me like this now. My sister, my daddy shout for her to sleep. Why shout on me?
Okay, okay. Yes. Yes. What about this? Is this high or low? Yalla Omar, tell me. Does it have a high pitch or a low pitch? What do you think? Omar, I can't hear you. Omar? Omar, I can't hear you. I swear I can't. Okay. Okay. Let us try again. Yes, Omar. Omar, there's no sound. No, nothing. I can't hear anything. Fix your microphone. Safe?
It's so low.
Low? No, actually, any musical instrument is high. We consider it high, okay? But I think it's not clear here. Okay. Let us see number 4. Okay, yes. Is this high or low? Yes, Batul.
It is low.
Is it low? Why are you closing your ears then?
It is high.
Yes, high. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Number 5. Let's see, number 5. Okay, what about the lion? Yes. Yes, oh my.
Now you can hear me.
Yes, finally. Okay. Yes, tell me, what about the lion roaring? Is it high or low?
Low.
What?
Yeah, now it is low, but in real life it is super high.
Exactly, so it's super high, yes. I don't know why it's low here. Okay, thank you, Ahmed, very good. Yes, Dana, what do you want?
First thing, it was scary. Second of all, his sound was so high.
Okay, yes, it's high. I don't know why it's not high here.
And it's scary.
Scary, yes, okay. Now, let's hear this one. This one has a low sound. Okay, now it's kind of high. Okay, what about the bear? Yes, what about the bear? Yes, yes, safe.
بس هو خنزير هاي.
No, bear.
ليش هيك صوته؟
Because that's how they sound. Okay, yes. Tell me, is it high or low?
الأردن سمعتها.
What?
الأردن سمعتها عنها.
Okay, so is it high or low?
أكيد هاي.
Okay, yes, very good, Saif. Thank you. Okay. Now let's hear this one. Yes, what do you think, Saad?
Hi.
Yes. Hi, very good. Okay. Okay, guys, I think, okay. Ahmad, one last time. Yeah. What?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, is this high or low? What do you think?
Yes.
Ahmad, What's that? What's that sound? High or low?
Yeah. Yes.
I need you to answer a word, not yes or no.
No.
It wasn't high?
Yes. No.
Okay. I think your laugh was a bit high. So I think we're gonna consider it like in between, okay? So now, what is a pitch? It is how, or it's how high or low a sound is, okay? So instruments like horn, like piano, like violin, okay, these are what? These are instruments or musical instruments. They have different pitches. Some of them are high and some of them are low, okay? Yes, Zainab.
An instrument. Can I show you it?
You want to show me what?
An instrument. It's very small.
Yeah, go ahead, show me. Aman, what are you doing?
I have that instrument when I was so small.
You're so
3 or
smart.
4 or 5.
Okay, let's
or
show
5.
me.
This is an instrument.
Oh, okay. Do you know what is it called?
Guitar?
Oh, what it's called? Do you know what it's called?
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me the name of it.
What is it?
You don't know the name?
Guitar.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, thank you. So, okay. Do you know what is the meaning of whistle? When I say whistle, it's like this one. Hold on. Okay, so this is whistling. So it is like making a sound with a high pitch. So you have to know what. Yes, Dana.
Can I whistle with my mouth? To show
What?
You? Can I whistle with my mouth to show you?
Do you know how to whistle?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So easy.
Yeah, go ahead.
But I whistle in a different way.
What?
I whistle in a different way, but I don't know why it works.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait.
Yes.
Okay, wait. No.
It's okay, yalla. We don't have time, Zaina. Be quick.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Did you hear Zaina? Okay, good job, Zaina. Thank you. Okay, yes, Amway.
Like this whistling.
Yes, very good. Okay, but it has to be high, okay? So it's like it needs a high pitch in order to what? In order to be clear. And a big drum makes a sound with a low pitch. So you don't have to do much work in order to what? To do or to make a sound from the drum. Okay, hold on. Okay, the third thing that you need to know, hold on, Batul. The third thing that you need to know, cheers from a crowd. We talked about the meaning of the word cheer. So, okay. And I told you, when you cheer a friend, you what? You try to encourage them happily or with happiness. Lara and Saif. Okay. So cheers from a crowd are really loud. Whispers are soft. الويسبرز اللي هم الهمس أو لما بدك توشوش حدا, okay? So that is what I mean by whispers. Loudness is how loud or soft a sound is, okay? So, okay. It takes more energy to make a loud sound than a soft sound. So when you want to make a really loud sound, you have to make an effort in order to what? To make a sound. And I think you guys know how, like when you scream, you feel like after screaming, you feel like you're a bit tired because of what? Because of you did that sound, right? And when you talk like normally, you don't feel like as much tired as you did with like when you made the sound of screaming or something. Yes, Batul, what do you want?
Like this?
Hold on, Zaina. Yes, Batul, what do you want?
I have lips when I smaller.
What?
I have lips when I smaller.
When you were younger. Okay. Yes, very good. You have a like also a musical instrument? That's nice, guys. You do have like musical instruments. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Batul, for sharing. Okay, now, yes, what do you want?
Screaming like this.
Yes, exactly. Thank you for hurting our ears, Zana. Thanks for doing that. Okay. So if I ask you, or let us do this one. So what happens to the loudness of a sound when more energy is used to make the sound? So when you see the word more energy, which one takes more energy? It is what? It is the loud, or it's the loud sound. So the sound will get louder, or it will, or it gets louder. So you have to write the sound gets louder. Yo, go ahead. Okay, yes, Farah, I know. Yes, Farah, okay. Okay, when you're done with this question, do you have any questions before I end the class? Or you're good? Let me see. Okay. If you're done with this question, you can leave. Sorry, yes. Bye. Yes, Farah.
Bye. Bye, teacher.
Bye, Farah. Okay. Omar, are you done? Okay. Yes, Dad.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, Dad. Okay.